Hey, in this tutorial, we'll be going over a keyword called super. Super is similar to this, but the only difference with super is when you're doing inheritance and if you want a variable from superclass, while this is not the superclass. So let's say we delete this variable and we put this inside the superclass, and this right here will be the subclass. Since we already extend the T2 the class right here. And this right here is basically like the extension of this class. So instead of using this now, we have to use super. It's like super is like super this, but instead we type in super. So we did super dot x, we referring this x right here, that's equivalent to this local x, which is here. And we did the same. We have to do the same thing with y. If this variable, what we want in the super class, then we have to type in super. Super dot y, this y right here, is equivalent to local y. And we did 40 for the x right here, and we did 50 for the y. And we'll get the value for 40 of x to this x right here, and we get 50 for the y right here, because remember we set it equivalent to each other. And we print it out. As you can see, we don't have this x right here, the variable x right here, but instead we have it here. But remember, this class extends this class, so basically this tutorial class is like tutorial. Wait, let me rephrase that. So basically, this class is like to T2 as well, but instead we have a different name for this class, which is tutorial. So let's save this and do the same as well over here, and then let's output it. But compile it first. Now let's run it. Main class. Alright, it's 40 and 50. See? It works with super. It's like super this, so keep that in mind. And this will prevent shadow. Yeah, this prevents shadow as well. Alright, well this concludes my tutorial over super. Stay tuned for my next tutorial, and hopefully this was good. Thanks.